last year I remember she kind of talking about how she couldn't move on the right campus when we first ran out.
Yeah.
Ran forward.
Oh.
Yeah, she's like really out of time. Oh, for sure. But yeah, last year, and didn't Bella place higher than?
She called first and Sprints. Kristen Spence
So, obviously.
Some ears. About to hit the dryer.